How to add another account on Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So here's how you can add or switch Roblox accounts on the same device. So if you're using a mobile phone, you can go ahead and open your Roblox application, tap on the three dots at the bottom right and scroll down and tap on Logout. You will be back at the login screen, then tap on Login to use another account and sign up to create one, and to switch accounts you can log out and log in to the account that you want. But if you're using PC or the website or the web browser, go to roblox.com, log into your account, click on the gear icon in the top right corner of this screen. Then after, click on log out, which is below the switch account option. After this, you will be taken to the login page. You can log into your account by tapping on login in the top right corner of this screen, and if you do not have the account, you can go ahead and tap on sign up and then register a new account on Roblox. To stay logged into multiple accounts at the same time, use different browsers or use both browser and the app. And on PC, you can open one account in Chrome and another in Firefox or incognito mode or any other browsers like Microsoft Edge. And on mobile, you can use the Roblox app for one account and a browser for another. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.